Hello guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's video, I'm gonna show you how you can find out the poster size on Canva. So if you, let's say, create or use a template from Canva, a poster template, and you want to find out the size, you can easily find the size on this resize option. So you can just click on that. So this is the current size of my poster. The width is 42 centimeter and the height is 59. But if you want to find out in other measurement, for example in pixel, you can just click on this box right here. Okay, now it will change accordingly like this. Okay, so that's a simple tutorial on how to find out your poster size in Canva. I hope this will be helpful. Don't forget to click thanks, like this video, comment, and also subscribe. Bye bye.